ICC Champions Trophy 2025 second semi-final South Africa versus New Zealand. Match played at Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. New Zealand won the toss, elected to bat first. New Zealand 50 overs, 362 runs, lost by 6 wickets. Rachin Ravindra is the highest scorer, 101 balls, 108 runs. Then South Africa team best bowling spell, Lungi Ngidi 10 overs, no maiden, 72 runs, 3 wickets taken. South Africa 50 overs, 312 runs, lost by 9 wickets. South Africa team best scorer David Miller 67 balls, 100 runs, not out. Then New Zealand team best bowling figure Mitchell Centre 10 overs, no maiden, 43 runs, 3 wickets taken. New Zealand won by 50 runs in this match. Player of the match Rachin Ravindra. Congratulations New Zealand cricket team.